This is letter A and the sound is A. This is letter B and the sound is B. This is letter C and the sound is K. This is letter D and the sound is D. This is letter E and the sound is A. This is letter F and the sound is F. This is letter G and the sound is G. This is letter H and the sound is H. This is letter I and the sound is A. This is letter J and the sound is J. This is letter K and the sound is K. This is letter L and the sound is L. This is letter M and the sound is M. M have two humps. And N have one hump. M have two humps. Two humps like the camel. We have A, E, I, vowel here. We have total 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, O, O. A, E, O, O. A, E, O, O. And with ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Now look at the words. A, ma, mad, mad, mag, 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 man, 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 ma, map, map, mad, mag, man, map, match, 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 max, 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 it, me, 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 men, men, d, d, med, 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 ch, match, match, it, me, mix, mix, mix. A, B, b, C, k, D, d, E, a, F, G, g, H, I, J, j, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, qu, r, 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 s, 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 t, 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 u, a, v, 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 w, w, x, 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 y, 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 z, z, z. We have 5 vowels. They are very special. Why are they special? Because they have two sounds. One long sound, the same as its name, and a short sound. Let's say the long sound of vowels A, E, I, O, U. And now let's say the short sound of vowels